Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week.
In today's video tip, we're going to review how to make a bare poles landing in your sailboat. If you lose your engine or get a line wrapped around your propeller, you might need to take your boat alongside a pier under bare poles alone. Here we have the wind from astern, and in position number 1, we lay out a long spring line from a quarter cleat or fitting at the corner of the stern on the port side. We have a large eye formed into the end of the line to drape over a pier fitting like a piling or cleat as we pass by. We also have a second line to hold the boat alongside. In this illustration, we will not show fenders, but you would have fenders lined along the port side. Station a crew member at the bow and have them drape the line over the piling or cleat as soon as it's within reach of the bow. Note that in the third illustration, the spring line takes a strain and the boat will tend to pivot around the point of attachment. Remember that nylon docking line has elasticity, so you can expect the line to stretch and then try to recover. Remember, at this point you do not have the engine to use, so you should have the crew member step off the boat and attach a bow line or another line to hold the boat alongside in the final position. Now you know how to make a bare poles approach with a wind aft of the beam or astern. Use easy docking tips like these for safer sailing on the waters of the world.
This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.